Hi guys, we're at the new Istanbul Airport. Now this is different to Ataturk in so far that it's much bigger. Hi guys, we're at the new Istanbul Airport. Now this is different to Ataturk in so far that it's much bigger. And it's laid out as a complicated H with gates A through to F and numbers going upwards. The main concourse is very similar to the old Ataturk Airport, but it's a lot bigger and there's stacks of shops and restaurants everywhere. Hi guys, as you can see it's really big, really spread out. We just completed the walkthrough and I don't know, there must have been well over 100 shops. So it's a good place to go shopping, but you need to leave plenty of time in between your shopping to get your flight. So now we're going to go and check out the food hall, my favourite bit. So you can see Popeyes over there. I just got some chicken, really hungry. It's not the healthiest thing, but I'm starving.